you went over the handlebars.
Oh, I saw his leg.
Yeah, I look back and I think I might have it. You just went.
Oh, wow. That really does make you stop.
That happened. Lars crashed. All right, so we're on the new to me Grom, 2015 Grom with 170cc Koso big bore kit, 4-valve head, cams, valve springs, new shocks, Olin shocks. Yeah, that's a pain. All right, we got the 170cc Koso 4-valve head Grom versus stock Grom with intake. And that's about it, right? Intake? All right, on 3. You're 3. Go. What do you think?
It's fast.
It's fast, isn't it? You ready?
God.
You ready for a 1cc kit? A 170cc kit?
These shocks.
You need shocks.
These shocks are so much better.
Yeah. I can go through that rough stuff, whereas with yours, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty wicked.
Dude, this bike compared to my bike, he's like, okay, you guys, I see the, great. Yeah, he's got 170 on it.
I think the biggest difference is that the stock Grom's got a 2-valve head. That's a 4-valve. It's totally it's like double the amount of horsepower.
$700
For what?
shop.
It's $450 for the rear, $250 for the front inserts.
Oh, just inserts.
Yeah. I think we should do the I don't know, the front shock. The forks are definitely weak on the Groms. So I think the insert's probably worth it instead of the oil. Just the oil, you know. Do the springs and the oil. The back, I mean, I don't know. I don't really feel like you're bottoming out the back too crazy.
No.
The front's definitely, because any like sharp jump or sharp bumps through like the roots and everything, you can feel it just knocking into the hard stop. It don't matter that it
Work or no?
No, it's something wrong with it. I gotta look at it. It's important though, because that head, you know, the air fuel ratio has got to be right and all that, so you got to monitor it. It's part of the reason why I might want to take it off, because I just want something simple.
You ever see what it says on my pop wheelie?
Did you lift the front wheel getting onto the concrete? Did you feel it?
I never tried it.
Well, just getting back through the leaves, when you hit back to that concrete and you start transitioning and
I'm already almost out of first gear when I get there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm slow then.
I hit second gear right as I get off the leaves. Like,
Oh.
I'm out.
That's probably what I need to do.
Doing that jump fast cell too.
Yeah. Try it.
No, I like to follow you.
Dude, it'll pull the front wheel. When the first time on the Supermoto straight in first, and I hit it, and I'm like, it ain't steering. The wheel was in the air, coming out. I'm like, whoa, it's like friggin' MotoGP.
Yeah, this one right here kind of ruins it.
No, it's all right. It's fun. Whew. It's a handful. Sounds good. All right, so we got a problem during our Supermoto race. Something got a little readjusted. Fix it, Lars. Yeah, like new. That's good. Great success. What happened to you? That! Perfect.